Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. So I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is a voiceover because I was very sick in this video, but anyways, let's jump right into it. So first of all, I'm going to start by filling in my brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and the brush I'm using to fill in the brows is the Zoeva 371 wing liner brush, and I love it so much. Yeah, so I went ahead and then cleaned out the brows with the concealer, and the concealer I used is the LA Girl Pro concealer. Now I'm going in with a blending brush to blend out the concealer. Now I went in with a moisturizer to moisturize my face because I need to moisturize my face. We need to moisturize, okay? Next step, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte primer. I'm using that to prime my skin, and I really love this product a lot. And I like to focus it like anywhere I get oily. And I get oily all over my face because I'm very oily. Yeah, so I like to go in again with a translucent powder, because my skin is oily. I like to set my face with a powder before I go in with my my foundation. And the one I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. So this foundation says it's matte, and it's really matte. It's very matte. So I like to dot it all over my face, which is like it makes it easier to blend out. And I like to go over with a brush first, to blend it out, and then I like to go over with a sponge to also diffuse out, to also soak up the excess product. And also, if there's any strokes like lines on my face, I like to even everything out. So next step, I'm going to go in with a concealer to conceal the high point of my face, and which is the underneath the eyes, the chin, and then the forehead, and also the bridge of the nose. And I like to start by blending out the chin first, and then head over to the forehead. I like to blend that next before the under eyes because I like to leave it to sit for a while. So I went in again with a second concealer, which I haven't done before, but I liked it because I got the fullest coverage. And this concealer is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I like the undertone of it. It's very yellow, and I like that yellow undertone. So I'm going to leave that to sit and then go ahead and contour with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Cocoa. So to blend out my contour, I'm using the Revolution London brush to contour. To blend out my contour. I'm blending out my forehead and down my jawline. So I switched to my foundation brush to tone down my harsh contour because it was too harsh. So I'm going over with the blending brush to blend out the nose contour as well, and then moving on to blend out the concealer. So as you can see, this concealer is almost dry down, and that's how matte it is, and it has a very full coverage. I left it on for like a long time. Yeah, I don't remember how long, but a long time. So I'm going in with these two shades, the banana shade and then the brownish shade, which is almost like my skin tone, and that's me checking myself out. Yeah, so I'm using that to set the concealer on my face, and then to set the entire face, I'm going in with this Fit Me press powder to set the entire face, the rest of the face. So to bake, I'm using the NARS setting powder to bake, and yeah. And I'm also going to do a reverse contour And now moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use that first shade to set my brow bone. I like to set my brow bone. And then next step, I'm going in with this orangey brown tone. I don't know what color that is. That is going right in the crease. And then I'm going to mix these two shades together, the black and the green. That is going right at the outer V of the eyes, and then gradually blending it in the center of the lid, and then diffusing it out with the first crease shade I used, and then going in to clean out the lid with the concealer. So I'm going in with a brush to blend the concealer into the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful iridescent green, and that is going in the center of the lid, and this silvery shade right there, I don't know how to describe this shade, and then going in with the black and green to intensify the outer V a little bit, and then running it at the lower lash line as well. So I'm going to go in with a brush to blend out the top of the to blend out the crease so that we don't look any harsh in the crease. And then I went ahead and applied some lashes and eyeliner. Now I'm back and I'm dusting off the powder underneath the eyes and the entire face as well. So I'm going to set my contour with that shade right there, and then that is from the Kat Von D palette. And then I'm setting the forehead and then the nose contour as well. Blusher, I'm using that shade right there from the Huda Beauty palette, and yeah, I'm using that as a blusher. To seal the deal, I'm going to go in with this Office Matte Setting Spray, and then while it dries down, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this dark brown pencil. And then again, I'm going in with this brown liquid lipstick at the outer of the lips. And then for the inner part, I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors Desi X KD Collab lipstick. And that is going in the center of the lips. And then top it off with a gloss. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Sun highlighter. I don't remember how it's called. So yeah, I'm going to go in with that and then highlight the cheeks, the nose, the chin, and all of that. And yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos, and leave your comments in the comment section down below, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.